Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Renault Master. This one comes in white, 5 doors with 57,000 miles on the clock. So just taking you around the vehicle now. This is the Business Plus model as well. So just showing you inside, we do have 3 Croftline seats, a 6-speed gearbox. Radio, air conditioning can be controlled just down there. And I will just show you the load area as well. So as you can see, it is ply line and interior lit. There is storage above the cab. The bulkhead is pristine with no dents, scratches or bumps in it, suggesting the previous owner did only use this for light loads. And down on the floor you can see cargo rings to hide on any load you may want to carry. And if you'd like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or visit our site in Padworth for more information.